We were at the river Saturday, what, the 4th or something. There's Jules. We haven't taken a video in a while. Come over here. Jules. Joe. Running around. Jules. Ooh, Layla. And there's Jasper. He's joined the fun. He's been having arthritis in his hips, but we had a complete workup done on all 3 of my dogs, and no, get away from that. And they gave him some medicine for his hips, and he's been doing a lot better. Anti-inflammatory. He has peptide steps, so we thought we'd take him out here so he can run around and participate in the dog activities. Jules, no, Jules, no, Jules, Jules, Jules. She listens so well. Get out of there, get out of there. Probably something nasty. Look what I got. Get a stick. There's Jasper. Okay. Come on over here. Jules. Anyway. More later. Bye.